Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change League of Legends password. If you want to change your password in League of Legends, firstly you need to open up your browser. After coming to your browser, from the search panel, left click and type Riot account, then hit enter. After that, from the top hand side you will see the official Riot Games website. Just left click on it. After that, you will need to sign in to your Riot account in here. After signing in, they will ask you to enter the verification method if you have any. So just enter it and you're good to go. Continue. Now you have successfully logged into your Riot account. After that, scroll down to the bottom of this page and under the Riot account sign in section, you will find the change password tab. From here, you will need to input your current password as well as your new password to change it. After you have inputted all the necessary details, just click on Save Changes. And now your password has been changed. So this is how you can easily change your password in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.